It's September the 7th today. Three news stories. Afar news sources claim that Afar forces are in control of two more Waredas in Zone 4 of Afar region. Is TDF withdrawing from Afar region or Afar forces are pushing TDF out of Afar? Secondly, Oromoo Liberation Army OLA has taken control of a town in western Oromia. Thirdly, Amhara, a regional spokesperson, claims that Tigray fighters killed dozens of civilians in China, which is a rural locality near Debark. Let's have a look at the first news story. Afar news sources are reporting that Tigray Defense Force has retreated from more Waredas in Zone 4 of Afar region. According to Afar news sources, TDF has withdrawn from two more Waredas in Zone 4. In last night's news bulletin, I informed you about Aura Wareda coming under the control of Afar forces. Today, Afar news sources said that Gulina and Ora Waredas have also come under the control of Afar forces. Some Afar news sources say that Yellow has also been taken by Afar militias and Afar forces, but we are not sure about Yellow. Most Afar news sources are confirming that Ora and Gulina have been retaken by Afar forces. Now, is there fighting going on in these Waredas and TDF is withdrawing due to ongoing fighting, or TDF is just withdrawing? TDF has decided to leave this region, Zone 4 of Afar. What we have learned so far, viewers, is that Tigray Defense Force is withdrawing from these places. It's not that heavy fighting is underway in Gulina or Ora Waredas. TDF is withdrawing from these Waredas. What is the reason behind that? We don't know. Maybe some plan B is being considered by Tigray Defense Force. TDF is withdrawing. It's not that heavy fighting is going on in Gulina and Ora Waredas. But Eva, Ora and Gulina, three Waredas, according to Afar news sources, have been retaken by Afar forces. TDF was in control of four Waredas, viewers: Yellow, Gulina, Ora, Eva. It was moving towards Shifra. It has entered Shifra when counteroffensive came. Now, TDF is just in Yellow, from where it might withdraw as well. I think we could see a plan B in action from Tigray Defense Force in coming days. TDF's attack inside Afar, its adventure inside Afar did not succeed. It is reviewing its strategy. When I say that TDF is in need of review of its strategy, people say, Sajid, you're talking about something you don't know. TDF channels are the best in Africa. I am not questioning anyone's skill, anyone's competency. I am just reporting. I am reporting about what's happening on ground. Everyone is bound to make mistakes. In wars, you need to make new decisions. You need to learn from your mistakes. It happens. And some viewers, they say, Sajid, you claimed that Ambalaje had been taken, Machu had been taken by Ethiopian National Defense Force. Now, the places are under TDF. I did not say that Ambalaje and Machu had been taken by ENDF. I shared a claim with you. ENDF allied news sources had claimed that Ethiopian National Defense Force had managed to enter Machu and Ambalaje. We could not confirm that claim. So I am just reporting what's happening. I am reporting the claims as well. The official positions of two sides must also be reported. That's what my job is. I report their official position, then I give my analysis. It seems that TDF is withdrawing from Afar News. Secondly, second news story is from Oromia. Oromoo Liberation Army (OLA) has taken control of a town in western Oromia. Beggy, I think I'm saying it right. Beggy is the name of this town. It's in West Wallaga. The town is located along a road which links Benishangal Gumuz with Oromia. According to OLA allied news sources, this town is under OLA. What happened in Nagale Burana, a key town in Burana zone? More than a week ago, OLA claimed to be in control of Nagale Burana. We saw some pictures of OLA fighters from Nagale Burana. OLA fighters had entered Nagale Burana, but we did not hear after that. I think Oromoo Liberation Army could not take control of Nagale Burana, a key town in Burana zone in southern Oromia, but Beggy town in western Oromia, according to OLA, is under its control. Lastly, viewers, Amhara regional spokesperson Gizachu Molune just a short while ago held a press conference. He is accusing TDF fighters of having committed a massacre of civilians near Dabat in a locality, China. According to Gizachu Molune, several graves, mass graves have been found in China, which is a rural locality near Debark. Gizachu Molune says that TDF suffered some losses on Gondar front. After that, it targeted innocent civilians in China locality, where dozens of innocent civilians have been killed. We have been hearing about massacre of civilians in Humera, in China, in Galikoma, in Aksom, in Maikadra, but perpetrators are never brought to justice. That is why these incidents will keep on happening. Both the sides will accuse each other. Definitely, TDF is going to deny all these accusations leveled by Amhara spokesperson. Because this country, Ethiopia, is in need of an independent investigative body whose investigations are independent and impartial, especially about ethnic massacres. And investigations and prosecutions done by this body must be totally impartial. This body must have backing of all the regions, all ethnic groups. That is the only solution to this problem. Otherwise, we'll keep on seeing reports of ethnic massacres in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching.